Before we adjourned, we were busy with the events. At a meeting with Brigadier Gininda and a female officer at Newcastle Police Station.
Izolo-ke ngaphambi kokuthi-ke sishayise bese saphethe-ke udaba lokuthi-ke uye wahlanganyela noma-ke uye wahlangana naye-ke uBrigadier Gininda naye-ke lo nkosikazi noma-ke lo muntu wesifazane omhlophe noma umlungu e-station samaphoyisa endaweni yase-Newcastle. Yes.
And in your evidence in chief, you said that this meeting between you, Brigadier Gininda, and the female officer took place in 2023, is that correct?
Uthi-ke le nhlangano yokuthi-ke uhlanganyele noGininda naye-ke lo mlungu wenzeke ngo-2023 lo mhlangano.
Singababali bonke azikhulume nalo mlungu.
No, let's not.
Ayidlalele njengalaphana. Gininda wabeka la magama wabeka bangishiya 20 minutes azangiphela.
Can we not include this white lady that I made reference to? She was just seated over there, and I was talking to Gininda, and he said what he had to say, he came to say, and I did say that a period of 20 minutes was enough.
Yes. But we're asking you, did this meeting take place in 2023?
Kodwa-ke umbuzo uthi-ke lo mhlangano wenzeke ngonyaka ka-2023.
Ngithi ngandiswa kwenziwe ngo-23 ngoba khona uthanda akushiwo ukuthi kuyangidida umhlangano nento ethile kuhlukene makuthiwa niyohlala umhlangano.
I see it differently when you put it that there was a meeting. So a meet-up and a meeting, they are two different things. So I could say that it happened in 2023.
Are you able to say when in 2023? Was it the beginning of 2023, in the middle of 2023, or late 2023?
Babuzungu sacela ukuthi uma ngabe uphendula uphakamise izwi baba ngithi yasebenza lo mbhobho ngicela ukuthi wena nje ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bacosheke iphimbo lakho la uzwakale ukhulumele phezulu baba. Uthi-ke umshushisi makwenzeka-ke lo mhlangano noma-ke mawuzohlangana naye uBrigadier Gininda ngo-2023 kwakusekucaleni kwaka-2023 kwakumaphakathi no-2023 noma kwakusekupheleleni emaphelelweni waka-2023 mhlawumbe.
Angisazi ngoba kusinto engayirekhoda noma sasibhala phansi.
I cannot remember because it's not something that we had recorded or something that was written down.
And you have just mentioned that this meeting did not take long. You've just said 20 minutes. In your evidence in chief, you said 30 minutes. So can we accept that this meeting took place between 20 and 30 minutes?
Uqeda kusho manje ukuthi lo mhlangano azange uzothatha isikhathi. Uthe ngaba nje 20 minutes. Kodwa-ke uma uqala unikezela ngobufakazi bakho uye wathi-ke 30 minutes. Manje-ke sizovumelana yini sinawe ukuthi-ke lo mhlangano wathatha isikhathi esingaba u-20 ukuya ku-30 minutes.
Ma ulinganisa uyalinganisa noma ungaba semva noma ungaba phambili.
When you are estimating it could be less or more.
Yes. And in your evidence in chief, you testify that it was Brigadier Gininda, the white lady, and you, that Brigadier Gininda apologized for the way he took you, and he asked you to come and testify for him.
Uthi-ke kwaku Brigadier Gininda nawe nalo unkosikazi lo noma-ke lo sisi umlungu lapho uBrigadier Gininda khona uthi-ke uye waxolisa wathi wena uye waxolisa kuwena neqede lapho wathi-ke ucela ukuthi uze uzomfakazela.
Ngishilo la izolo ngayibuza ngathi mina uGininda lapha wakhuluma lokho akhuluma kimi ukuthi yaxolisa.
Yes, I even mentioned it yesterday that Gininda, when he spoke to me, he said that he apologized.
Emva kwalokho kwasengitshela indaba ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uzongihambisa emazweni amanye ngabe ngisondela ngikhulu uzongikhipha emazweni angaphandle angiwazi-ke lawasho.
Then he told me that he was going to take me abroad if I do not want to come here and testify. I do not know where. He did not mention those abroad country or other countries, but he stated that it will take me abroad.
ngase ngithi asingene lapha phakathi ukusho lapha phakathi.
I then said to him, let's go inside, and then you say that inside. You say what you just said now, inside.
Mina ngangifuna ukwenza ubufakazi obunye mayiphatha indaba yangaphandle.
I wanted to gather evidence when he mentions that he'll take me abroad.
Okokuqala uyena ohlele lento mina ngihlelanga ngingahleleli lutho.
And he's the one that had planned this whole thing. I did not plan anything.
But Baba Zungu, the question is, did he, as he testified in chief, did he say you must come and testify for him?
Manje ke babuzungu uye washo yini noma uye wayikhuluma le nkulumo njengoba wena bososhilo ukuthi ke uye wathi ufuna ukuthi wena uzomfakazela.
Wayikhuluma.
He mentioned it.
Yes. And according to your version, you had not made any statement up to that point.
Ngokuya ngawe ke wena wawungakazi ubhalise ke istatement.
Akaze ngisibhalise mina.
I never gave a statement.
Akonke ngangivumelane nakho noGininda.
There was nothing that I'd agreed with Gininda.
Yikho lokho ngifuna ukubatshela nje iqiniso ukuthi kufikela usebenza kufika umuntu lazo ukutshena izinto eziningi. Angifuni kaze angizivumelane. Uma savumelana futhi akaveza incwadi ayibekela nakho la sasayina khona.
I had never agreed to anything with Brigadier Gininda. He just came to me, told me a whole lot of things, and if he's saying that we had agreed, so he must bring proof in a form of a letter or a document.
But Baba Zungu, the question is this: if you had not made any statement up to that point, how could he have asked you to testify for him?
Manje ke makuwukuthi ke wena uzange wabhalisa ke istatement bekazoza kanjani kuwe athi ucela ukuthi uzomfakazela makuwukuthi wena sikho istatement wasibhalisayo.
Uyazi phela akuhlelayo konke lokho kwestatement akho statement ngeke angitshene ngendaba statement ngabhala statement le maweni mina.
No, he knows he knew what he was planning. So he cannot come here and bring up this statement issue. Where did I take this statement? Where?
So your version is that he asked you to come and testify without you having made any statement. Is that your version?
Manje wena ubufakazi bakho ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe uze lapha ngikwenkundla uzonikezela uzofakaza noma uzonikezela ngomfakazi bakho ungakaze wena ubhalisa istatement.
Akaze esho.
No, he never said.
He never said what, sorry?
Akazange esho ukuthini baba?
Uthangizela ngizobhala istatement.
That I should come to court and give out a statement.
Yeah, but Mr. Zung, we're just trying to understand. You've just said that Brigadier Gininda did ask you to come and testify for him without you having made a statement.
Baba Zungu esizama ke ukuthola lana ubufakazi bakho wena ubushilo ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda wathi wena uze la enkantolo uzonikezela ngobufakazi noma ke uzofakaza ngisho ekubeni ukuthi wena wawungabhalisanga ke istatement kunjalo.
Mina ngichazela ngizobuyela eceleni ngithi uGininda wathi kimi angithi ufuna ungisela emazweni angaphandle. Isiphi statement ayifuna ngibuye ngizosibhala la. Ngokokuqala ngangeke ngisho noma wayishilo ngangeke ngisivume. Ngangeke ngivume ngoba akanginikanga incwadi.
Angazi noma ukuthi ngikuthola kahle kule nkulumo yakho na.
Ngiyathola.
Cha ngisho ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikuzwisisa kahle. Uthi wena ke uBrigadier Gininda awukazi wabhalisa ke istatement kuye. Kanti ke bekazosho kanjani ukuthi kuwe uze la enkantolo uzonikezela ngobufakazi.
Ebeza ngalobugebengu ngaqala ngaba kaze ngimbize mina. Suke liqaleni wayeze kanjani kimi.
I wanted to clarify the issue, my lord, with regards to the witness statement now. The witness indicates that he has never given a statement to Brigadier Gininda. The Brigadier Gininda was only coming with his criminality act towards him.
What do you mean by that,
Mawuthi
Mr. Zungu?
usho ukuthini ke ngale nkulumo yakho babuzungu?
ngisho ukuthi akazange bengihlalele emsebenzini yena wangizela nalengane yami bakhanda ubugebengu kufuneka ngibe yihawu lokuvika bona bahambe le nkulumo le bayise phambili kodwa bathi bafike ngami bona bobabili.
I did say that I never made any statement to Gininda. They came together with my son while I was at work, and now they want to hide behind me, using me with their criminality. So I never had given him any statement.
So we can leave this point, Baba Zungu, on the understanding that you say Brigadier Gininda asked you to testify, notwithstanding the fact that according to you had not made any statement.
Siliyeke yini lo daba lolu babuzungu lokuthi ke wena uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe uze ke uzonikezela ngobufakazi la enkantolo ungakabhalisi wena istatement.
Akazesho ukuthi angizobikela ngobufakazi.
He has never said that I should come and testify.
Angimazi futhi wayefuna ngimfakazele ini.
And I do not know what it is that he wanted me to come and testify about.
Yikho singahlalanga nje isikhathi eside nje ilokho.
That's why it did not take a long time or did not take time.
Angithi asingene la sibhalise lokho okushoyo wacela ukuhamba.
When I said to him, let's get inside so that we can write down what you are saying, he then requested to leave.
But Baba Zungu, we try to understand your evidence. The one moment to say he asked you to come and testify for him, but you've just now said now that he did not ask you to testify.
Manje ke sizama ukuthola lana babazungu lokho kushilo kanti naloko kushoyo manje ukuthi ke ekuqaleni kobufakazi bakho the wena uBrigadier Gininda wathi kuwe ke ufuna ukuthi uze la enkantolo uzofakaza. Kodwa ke manje usuyayishintsha leyo nkulumo ukuthi ke akazi akucele ukuthi uze la enkantolo.
Ayithi wathi ngizofakaza ukuthini.
What is it that he wanted me to come and testify about?
Yes.
Ngoba sengishilo mina ukuthi wathi ufuna wakhuluma ngendaba wafaka le ndaba ohamba ikho ngaqhela eduze kwakhe nje noma ngitshena ukuthi kukhona ubufakazi ufuna ngibenze maka kukhona ubufakazi eqaleni kwafanele ngenzise lobo bufakazi ukuthi ngize la angitshena ukuthi ngize la ngibize ngelanga lecala ngeke uthethe icala busu uqhamisa uzobiza mina.
Mawuthi indaba makakhuluma wakhuluma ngendaba yokuhamba usho yiphi indaba yokuhamba?
Ngisho lo ungivakashela le akusemazweni angaphandle.
When he started mentioning the issue of taking me abroad, he never said anything about me having to come here and testify. And if he wanted me to testify, he should have brought me here when the matter was starting.
Did you express concern regarding your personal safety to him?
Wamtshela yini wena ke ukuthi ukuvikeleka kwakho mhlambe nokuthi ke ukuvikeleka kwempilo yakho uyawamtshela ke into efana njengale ukuthi ke usabile impilo yakho mhlambe ke nokuvikeleka kwakho.
Phela umuntu akekho ongayazi safety. Ngeke ngichaze ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongayazi safety la eSouth Africa.
There is no one who will tell me or come here and say that they do not understand anything about safety here in South Africa.
Mangabe wayeyazi safety wayoyenza qala eqaleni ukuthi angakwazi ukungixabanisa nezweni.
If he knew what safety is, then he was going to make sure that he conducts it and not make me to fight or the people to fight to create a fight between myself and the nation.
But did you, Mr. Zungu, express concern to him regarding your personal safety?
Kodwa ke wena uye wamtshela yini umnumzane uBrigadier Gininda mayelana ke ne-safety?
Akaze ngimtshela.
No, I did not tell him.
You say he inquired from you if you are afraid of being guarded. And you then told him that you are against that.
Can you please repeat that for me?
You say he asked you if you are afraid of being guarded. And you then said that you are against that. Is that correct?
Nguthe wena ke wakubuza ukuthi ke unayo yini inkinga nokuthi ke ube nabonogada wathi wena cha awukufuni lokho usakhumbula lokho kushilo. Ngizwa baba.
Angisakhumbula ngoba nginako nogada.
I do not remember that because I do not have guards.
Yes, but that was your evidence in chief.
kodwa yiloko kushiwo wena baba uma unikezela ngobufakazi bakho la enkundleni.
ngisho nogada bami
I mean my own guards.
Yes, but what about your own guards?
Uthini-ke uma uthi usho wabona ogada bakho?
ngisho ukuthi anginabo nogada bangigadayo
I'm saying that I do not have any bodyguards.
Yes. But did Brigadier Gininda ask you if you are afraid of being guarded?
Uye wakubuza yini yena uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi uyasaba yini wena?
And that you,
ukuthi-ke ube nonogada.
you responded by saying that you are against that.
Wena wathi-ke awungeke ukujabulele lokho. Uye wakubuza-ke uBrigadier Gininda lokho.
angisakwazi ukunika mina angibuzela ukuthi ngigadwe ngezweni ngoba wathi ufuna ungisanga kwamanye amazwe
I don't remember much of that, being guarded for what? Because what he made mention of was that he was going to take me to other countries.
Yes, but we're referring to your evidence in chief. This is what you said in your evidence in chief.
Loko okushiwo umnumzane Baloyi ubufakazi bakho obushilo lapha kwenkundla wena mangabe uqala ukufakaza la enkantolo.
akuthini
What?
That Brigadier Gininda inquired from you if you are afraid of being guarded, and that your response was that you are against being guarded.
Le nkulumo yakamshushisi ivela la ukuthi-ke ungithi bayabhala phansi uma ngabe-ke unikezela ngobufakazi bakho. Manje uthi ubhalile laphaya phansi ukuthi-ke kube ubufakazi bakho ukuthi wena uBrigadier Gininda wabuza yini ukuthi uyasaba yini noma-ke ungathanda yini ukuthi-ke ube nabo nogada. Wase wena umphendula ngokuthi-ke cha awuvumelani nalo lolo daba lwabo nogada.
angivumelani vese waze sho lokho uzongigadela
No, I do not agree with that. And why is it that he wanted to give me guards to guard me doing what?
So he asked you about whether you need
ungabhaleli
protection.
kodwa okunye engakushongo
So,
Can you please not write what I did not say?
mina ngikhulume ngendaba yokugadwa la
I mentioned that guarding aspect here.
iyo-ke into iyasixabanisa noginini uma ekhuluma ngokugadwa athi mina singeke sikubhale lapha emaphoyiseni
That's where it came that we had differences now with Gininda, or we had a conflict now with regards to that. Then I said to him, let's enter in the police station, and then that you put that in writing.
yes. So, Babazung, you did discuss the issue of your personal safety.
Niye naba nayo ke ingxoxo nayo Brigadier Gininda mayelana ke ne-safety yakho.
hayi
No?
You testify that he inquired from you if you can be taken to other places. You gave the example of Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Lesotho, places outside the country.
Uthe wena ke uye waba nengxoxo nawe mayelana nokuthi ke uzoba nayo yini inkinga mangabe ke ungathathwa uyiswe kwamanye amazwe afana nabo Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Lesotho.
Ngibona ngangeke ngisingane mina ngitshena into enje ikhona ngathi asingitshena into enjalo
No, I'm not a child.
akhile la
for-
ngekhe khona ekhaya kuphi la ngizoya khona
No, I'm not a
Indaba
child.
kaPhilo.
Not a child for him to can tell me that I should move to other countries. I am a resident here in Avveld. My home is here. So I told him that you do not tell me something like that. So I wasn't gonna go anywhere.
Yes. But just to conclude this aspect, Mr. Zungu, did Brigadier Gininda discuss with you the various options that are available
Manje
for your protection, your personal safety?
uye waba yini naye ingxoxo nawe uBrigadier Gininda mayelana ke nezinto owawungakhetha kuzona ukuthi ke ube safe?
ngangeke ngikhethele ukuthi bangiphethe uGininda
I was not gonna choose or opt for anything because I'm not being controlled by Gininda.
But did you discuss that?
ukuthi wakusho
Kodwa-
noma akakushongo lokho enikushoyo angangena indaba kaGininda angafuni lutho.
What are you saying that he said or not, whether he said it or not, but I was not interested in this issue by Gininda.
Yes, but we want to know, did he say that, according to your version?
Manje into esifuna ukuyazi ukuthi wakusho yini lokho.
Ayikhuluma indaba yangaphandle.
He was mentioning this abroad issue.
Yes.
Iyo lonto le yangini phela ke ngichaza impela mayikhuluma indaba zangaphandle. Ngathi ngimdala ngingaqhamuka uGininda esebenza ngathi uthune plaza zonke indaba zangaphandle.
That's what agitated me, because Gininda was now treating me like a child, saying that I need to be taken abroad, he has a farm and he's working and what so forth.
Elubani kwakunjalo wayezoza ngisho noma wayeza nencwadi ayithathe ku-government lapha ngangeke ngivume.
Even if he came to me, approached me with a document from the government, I would not have agreed to that.
Ngoba kusuyugcine nocontrola indlela engiphile kuyangazi ukuthi ngaphila kanjani ezongitshela indaba okungisangaphandle.
No, I'm not being controlled by Gininda. It doesn't even know how I got to where I am or
But-
how I live.
But once again, Baba Zungu, the question is, why would he discuss now your protection if he did not make a statement?
Manje ke umbuzo wami ukuthi ke kwakungani uBrigadier Gininda ezoba nale ngxoxo yokuthi ke mhlawumbe ungahamba uyohlala kuphi ukuze ube safe noma ukuze uvikeleke mawukuthi awuzange wena usibhalise statement.
Khona nomuntu ongakhuluma ngendaba yomuntu ozokwenzela ubugebengu.
Is
Khona into
there,
ongayichaza.
is there anything I can explain, or is there anything that a person can explain with a person who approaching you with the acts of criminality?
Did Brigadier Gininda mention to you during that occasion that your statement has been disclosed to the defense?
Uye wakutshela yini uBrigadier Gininda noma engxoxweni yena uye wakuveza yini ke uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi lesi statement sakho wesenzile sanikezelwa ke abameli ukuthi nabo babe naso?
Akazangitshele lutho
No.
ngendaba ze-statement.
He never told me anything with regards to the statement issue.
See, we want to show you a copy of Exhibit A-126. Is the type version of Exhibit U. You'll see that the details of the deponent, the ID number, the place of employment, and the cell phone number have been omitted on that type statement of A-126, a type version of U.
What is omitted is the ID number, the workplace,
Yes, the name of the deponent, the ID number, the address, and the cell phone number.
uyabona ke baba Zungu, izolo sisakukhombisa ke istatement esibhalwe ngesandla ngithi sathi ke leso statement uyu manje ke basicoshe phansi ke leso statement base bayasitype ngomshini angithi isaseyisona lesa statement kodwa ke la umshushiso uyasho ukuthi ke ababhalanga igama lalomuntu ababhalanga i-ID number yakhe ababhalanga ukuthi ke imakhala ekhukhwini noma ke inombolo zakhe zocingo zithini ababhalanga ke nokuthi ke lo muntu usebenza kuphi kodwa kusaseyisona lesiya statement lesiya okuhlukile manje ukuthi lesi statement siye sa-type ngomshini noma ngecomputer.
Khona ngitshela khona la sisi. Suke kuyi-statement esiphilile mangekho gama.
So is this a sound statement if there appears
Yes.
no name in the statement?
Yes, but there is a format in which it was disclosed when a disclosure of the docket was made to the defense. It was disclosed in that format.
Manje ke lesi statement masilethwa ke ubufakazi bonke buqukethwe ngaphakathi kwe-docket angithi manje mabasiletha ke sona lesi statement basilethe singalolu hlobo basilethe sinjeni.
Yes.
Ngoba sinjena nje statement lesi sibhala umuntu esingenamagama.
Is this a complete
Bekuthiwa
statement?
ngisenzeni.
Yes.
What is this a complete statement in the manner in which, or in this format that has no names? And when did I make this statement?
Yes.
Ubani kanti usenzeni.
Who made this statement?
Yes. We're just showing to you that that is the format in which A26, that is exhibit triple U, was disclosed to the defense.
Indaba ngiqala ungenzela ubugebengu ngikhona la.
Why-
Statement esingenam.
Why are you now coming with this Criminality Act while I'm present here before this court, giving me a statement, showing me a statement that bears no names?
Yes, but did Brigadier Gininda during your meeting explain to you that your statement has been disclosed to the defense, but without your personal details?
Manje, umshushisi daba azama ke ukuliveza ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda wakwazisa yini ukuthi nasi statement sakho. Abameli sibanikezile istatement sakho. Kodwa ke asizange siyifake ke le mininingwane le eyakho.
Yini engafakwa?
Why was my information not put here?
Yes, for your own personal safety.
Ukuthi ke uze uvikeleke ke.
Mina
Uvikeleka kwakho.
mina uGininda walifaka kanjani igama kuso lesi safety akhulume ngaso statement walifaka kanjani igama lakhe?
And how did he
Kanti
put-
lesakwazi ukulifaka.
And how did it now happen that Mr. Gininda puts my name on the other statement that he said I gave and failed to include my name on this one?
Niyamvikela yena.
You are protecting him. Are you protecting him?
You see, the contents are exactly the same. The only thing that was left out is the name of the deponent, the address, and the contact details.
Konke ke okuqukethwe la noma okubhalwe lana kuyafana naloko ke okubhalwe kulesa statement esibhalwe ngesandla. Izinto nje ezingafakiwe lana igama, i-ID number, nekheli lasemsebenzini kanti ke futhi ke nenamba yamakhalekhukhwini.
Into enjengalena yikho lesikhuluma ngama-corruption.
Yes.
Ngaletha into kimi ecaleni la e-High Court ingabhalwe muntu kubuza ukuthi ayimukelwe yini.
No,
Ekubhalwe muntu le.
this is what we see when we're talking about corruption. How do you now bring a document like an incomplete document like this in the High Court, saying that I should comment on it?
You see, Babazungu, there's also a list of witnesses that accompanied the indictment in this matter.
Manje ke uma ngabe kuzoqulwa icala bonke ke abantu amathimba abashushisi bayaveza ukuthi abofakazi abazimisele ukubabiza bangobani ke bese bayabhala ke amagama wabo nezibongo zabo noma ke imininingwane yabo yalabo bafakazi abathi bazobabiza eculweni kweqala.
And in paragraph 113, this forms part of the record. It says the names of some witnesses have been withheld for security reasons.
Manje ke kuyo leli phepha ke elinikezelwayo ekutheni ke kwaziswe inkantolo ukuthi abofakazi baphi abozobizwa ke kodwa kubhaliwe lapha phansi ukuthi ke amanye wamagama ofakazi angeke baze bawabhale lapha yakulela phepha ngoba ke bebavikela for safety yabo.
And your name was amongst the names that have been omitted for security reasons.
Kanti futhi nawe ke igama lakho nawe lalingazange libhalwe lapha ya ngenxa yokuthi ke bakuvikele.
Ngiqonda lapho igama lami ngibona phela benzela abantu bavikela. Igama lami umuntu engazange alibhale kuphi?
Are you saying my name was not being added or entered? Because now it seems like people are being protected here. Where did you say my name was not entered?
Or on the list of witnesses that had made statements.
Manje ke igama lakho alizange lifakwe kulabantu laba kofakazi ababhalisa ke izitatimende.
Ngimanjani ke mina? Kanti mina ngiyaze ngize la ekhona.
How different am I from the others? How is it that I did not come to court?
Yes, but that was for security reasons.
Kwakwenziwela lokho ke kukuvikela.
Angivumi lokho ngovikela ngiyayazi se. Angivumi kuthiwe mina angivikelwa. Khona abavikelwa lapha.
I do not agree to
ngegama
that.
lami la kodwa umemeza la inkantolo kumenyezwa ngegama lami. Yiyo lento eziyangikhipha ekhaya.
I do not agree to that when you're talking about safety. I know what safety is. My name has been made mention of in this court the entire time and I've never been called, which is the reason why I decided now to leave home and come here.
Ngiyaqhubeka inkantolo mayisinabantu ekwazi ukubavikela kodwa mina kumenyezwa ngegama lami. Ememeze endlela exakile.
I'm surprised now that you're making mention that there are people that are being protected, but my name has been mentioned here in this court the entire time.
Mina njengaze ngamuzwa noma ngeke mhlawumbe akuvumeleke ithi ngisho. Kodwa ngizokubeka ukuthi khona owashola enkantolo. Wazi wathi uyabonani ukuthi lokhuza igama lomuntu na.
Even though I will not mention,
Nilifaka endaweni engalungile na. Engimemeza la uGininda. Kodwa nyamangala mase khona kuthiwa khona abavikelwayo bafakwele indictment.
I still say that there was a person here, even there was a person here in court who said that they were dragging they are aware that they are dragging my name in the mud, and I will not, maybe it's not allowed for me to mention that person, but that person did say that, can you see that you are dragging this person's name? And Gininda continued to make mention of my name in his testimony.
And in that meeting with Brigadier Gininda at Newcastle Police Station, the Brigadier Gininda explained to you about the witness program, witness protection program, how the witness protection program works?
Umnumzane Gininda ke kule nhlangano le eyenzeke noma ukuthi uhlangane naye ke lapha ke e-police station yase Newcastle. Uye waxoxela noma ke wacacisela kahle kwazwakala ukuthi ke uma ngabe umuntu eza lapha phambi kwenkantolo ezonikezela ngobufakazi kunendlela avikeleka ngayo noma ke kunendlela esetshenziswayo ukuthi lo muntu lo athathwe avikelwe into ezifana nalezo nje uye wakwazisa. No, we never had that discussion.
But you say he informed you that you can be taken out of the country. Was it not in the context of discussing the witness protection program?
Mawuthena wena uye wakhuluma nawe mayelana nodaba lokuthi ke ungazeka ke ukuthi akuthatha kusemazweni angaphandle. Kwakungasiyona ingxoxo leyo ukutheni ukuthi uyacacisela kahle ukuthi ke isebenza uhlelo lokuvikela kwabofakazi lusebenza ngalendlela.
And being guarded.
No, ukuthi ke phezulu kwaloko uyagadwa umuntu noma ke ufakazi.
Ngengasho laqala ngathi uGininda bekhuluma ngegama lami la.
I said even before that Gininda was making mention of my name here in court.
Ememeza ngegama lami bucayi. Kodwa manje mayengasuka ele esememeze ngegama lami awukhuluma lezi zinto esememezile la enkantolo bamnazeni ngibize enkantolo. Kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi awumemeza ngegama lami la?
What does it say to you that Gininda has been busy screaming out my name, spreading out ill about my name, and why would he now come and discuss safety measures after he has already done the damage?
Waze kwasho umuntu othi sengilikhumbule legama wathi niyabona nithi ngifaka igama lomuntu endaweni ebucayi na engozini uthi ke ngeke ngimemeze ngoba mkhulu kodwa lashiyo la enkantolo asho ukuthi ngomkhulu umuntu ethi niyabona nithi nifaka igama lomuntu engcupheni na.
I remember now the name that was used. It was in a dangerous. Can you see that you are putting this person's name in a dangerous spot? And I will not make mention of this person's name because is of a higher rank. He repeatedly said and asked, "Can you see that you are putting this person's name in a dangerous spot?"
Yikho ngikanjena nje uma ukhuluma indaba kaGininda kimi. Angikwazi ngisho ukukhuluma ngithini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngihlukumezeke kangakanani ngoGininda. Ngiyambe ehlangane ngegama la. Bonke lezi zinto nje ayisebenzi ngoba ngeke ngayisho.
In everything that now you are mentioning to me with regards to Gininda, I do not know where to even start and say, because together with my son they had abused me, so I do not even know what to say with regards to Gininda and my son. And I'd never called anyone from where I work.
Ukusuka kwabo besuka koPitoli besuka koGoli bezibofika lapha engisebenzela khona bezongiphazamisa emsebenzini.
And I had never called anyone to come to where I work, them leaving Pretoria and leaving Gauteng, coming to where I work, coming to disturb me.
Well,
yikho ke ngafuna lutho nje zongitshela into engamanga ngitshela into engamanga ngegama lami.
That is why I do not want anything that has lies in it, and then I've never fetched anyone.
We put it to Baba Zungu, that the reason why you say Brigadier Gininda asks you if you want to be guarded, asks you if you want to be taken out of the country, was because you made a statement and various options to safeguard you were discussed on your own version.
Baba Zungu, ngithi kuwe mina isizathu esenza ke ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda ecacise noma ke echazele ukuthi ke ihamba kanjani uhlelo lokuvikelwa kofakazi ukuthi ke wena wawubhalisile ke istatement, wasibhalisa istatement ukuze ke efike sekutshela nokuthi ke ungakwazi ukuthi ube nabonogada, ungakwazi ukuthi ukhishwele ngaphandle kwamanye uyohlala kwamanye amazwe, kwakuyingoba wena wase usibhalisile ke istatement.
Siswami tata.
Yebo.
NgesiZulu kuthiwa eyomeli yaziyela. Eyomile iyaziyela.
My Lord, my misinterpreter, in Zulu there's a saying that it's an idiomatic expression, my Lord. I'm going to try and give an explanation, my Lord. That the one that seeks information, they go and look for it themselves. I don't know, my Lord, if I can be assisted by my colleagues, if it makes sense to them. I've tried to explain it as I understand it.
Ngiqonde lapha sisithi lokho ngiyakhuluma ngakho engitshena indaba ye-statement. Ungitshena i-statement sokwenzani ngithi eyomeli yaziyela ngangasuka le mina ngingahluphekile ngizela.
My Lord, what I'm saying is that Gininda is making mention now of this statement. Would I have left my home there to come here, and as poor as I am, to come and make a statement this side?
Kufanele ze kuyingcono lapha engikhona nama-police station akhona lapha engikhona wayezocela ukwenza statement.
He was then supposed to come where I was, and there are nearby police stations to come and obtain that statement.
Mina yini eyayingihluphile enkantolo ake ngichazele mina yini eyayingihluphile.
What is it that would have bothered me? I want to understand that part. What is it that would have bothered me?
Nge-statement sikaGininda lesanzayo uGininda akakwazi
with regards to the statement that Gininda is making mention of?
Yes.
ukuthi uGininda ngasuka la nina niyamvumela nenkantolo shuthi niyamvuna ukuthi umuntu ofuna istatement akusiyena ofanele ahamba azofika lapho okukhona khona lo muntu.
How is it that are you allowing this to happen? Are you allowing Gininda not to come to me and want a statement? If a person wants a statement, then they come to where I am, to where the person is.
Yes, but your statement was taken down, and can we now look at the statement itself?
Yelo nto engayifuni ukuthi nizofuna umuntu ongazange enze kwafana uGininda mayifuna le statement akufunayo asuke yena eze kimi hayi kusuke mina le ngizela kuye emzini wakhe hakho phela indawo yakhe lena engisaku.
I don't think it's okay for you to protect Gininda with regards to the statement. If Gininda wanted a statement, he was supposed to come from there, wherever he came from, to come to me and come and collect this, to make this statement. But he took me to his own place that he wanted to take me to.
Angenjalo ngithatha police station awucela police station's statement the police station.
If not so,
Sikhivise ubani sine item la.
Even so, or even more, that we go to the police station, he requests, and then we make a statement, and then it be stamped.
Mangabuza nje wa le statement obesibhalwa kanje ngingosingaki mina owenzelwa endaweni engalungile. Ngoba phela siyakhomba le statement oba senziwe nje ukuthi senziwa vese endaweni engalungile oba necala lokho elingalungi nje iyo lo nto le.
How many?
Sorry, just wait.
Yes.
You are refusing to identify the statement or look at it. It's your right if you want to do that. The court will make a note. Okay?
Babuzungu kuyilungelo lakho lokuthi ke mawukuthi lesi statement wena ke awufuna ukusho nokuthi uyasazi noma awusazi noma ke awufuna ukusibona kusenkantolo ngakwamukela lokho kodwa ke izobhala phansi ukuthi ke mangabe kuthiwa ubheke lesi statement wena waziphendulela ngokuthini noma wathini.
My Lord, I've just received a request for a comfort break in light of the issues that we're discussing in chambers.
How long? Okay, fine.
Ayibhalelana.